In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, I was recently having a conversation with ChatGPT about the best laptops. So I want to save this conversation as a PDF. So the first step is that you want to highlight the text you want to save. So highlight the entire text. Let me highlight my text right over here. And then as you can see, I've highlighted the entire conversation. Then once you're done highlighting the conversation, what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna right click and then select the print option. Once you do that, it's going to load the conversation as a PDF. As you can see, it's now on a page, so it's ready for you to save it. So as you can see, you can play around the settings if you want. If you want a landscape option, you can select the landscape option and it will look like this. If you want a color change, if you want black and white or color, play around with this. If you want pages or odd pages only, even pages or custom pages, you can play around the settings. I'm gonna take it back to portrait, but do keep in mind that if there's any images, it's not going to work. It only works if there's no images. So the destination option is very important. So select it and select save as PDF. Now you can click on the save option and then it's going to load the page so that you can select where you want to save this PDF. So I'm going to save it in the documents, then click on the save option. And my PDF should be downloaded. So I can go and confirm, go over to the document section and it should be somewhere right over here. As you can see, here it is right over here. The best laptops 2026. It has saved that conversation as a PDF. So that's how you can simply save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.